Welcome back to another Fly Tech podcast. Today is Friday, February 17th. You just tuned into the Fly's podcast on all podcast platforms. I'm Dominic.
And I'm Nick, and we got some flat topics for you today.
For our first topic, Comcast is ending free Peacock access for Xfinity subscribers.
For our second topic, Ford reportedly plans to build a $3.5 billion EV battery factory in Michigan.
And lastly, for our third topic, Stellantis reveals pre-production variant of Ram 1500 Rev.
Yes, sir, and stay till the end because I got a cool fun fact for you.
Yes, so let's jump into the first topic. According to Engadget, Comcast will no longer offer its Xfinity customers free access to the Peacock streaming due to them not turning a profit on the service just yet.
Peacock is owned by NBC Universal, which is also owned by Comcast.
Yes, Xfinity customers who want to continue watching Peacock content after the change will need to pay for Peacock premium subscriptions.
Dang, the move is seen as a way for Comcast to drive more revenue from Peacock, which has struggled to gain traction against rivals like Netflix and Disney Plus.
Yo, Netflix is going crazy right now, but
no password sharing.
Yo, the decision comes as the streaming market becomes increasingly crowded, with many companies seeking to launch their own streaming services to compete with established players.
Engadget notes that the decision is likely to be unpopular with Xfinity customers who had already come to expect the free access to Peacock as a part of their subscription services. To be honest, I think you can still get Peacock just with ads for free. So take that however you want.
However, it may be a necessary step for Comcast to remain competitive in the streaming market and to generate revenue from Peacock. Yo, that's insane. Like, all these different streaming services, like I said, yo, Netflix, they're through the roof. You can't do password sharing. Disney Plus upped their prices, and it's just like yo, they found out streaming was the wave, and they took it as a money pit, low key.
Facts. I have no idea why there's so many streaming services. I don't want it to get to a point where it's maybe like each channel has a subscription. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know that's like too extreme, but it's gonna be like, damn, like I got 10 streaming services, 20 streaming services. I might as well pay for cable.
Yo, I gotta stop. I gotta stop dropping gems because I've been I've been telling people for a while, yo, you still pay for cable? Just get Netflix or whatever. All you gotta get a smart TV and just pay for Wi-Fi. That's it.
You're done. Get yourself that Roku. You chilling.
What? Yo,
facts.
We got wait.
That's on a budget.
Yo, we can't mention that because the next thing you know, Roku's gonna put a subscription on their free TV.
Yo,
you gotta buy the TV and pay a subscription.
Yeah, and the worst part, I think they even sell you the TV. They have TVs for sale.
Yeah, you could get the whole TV or you can get the box.
That's wild. I like Roku. Remember we had that in Boca?
Yes, I used it for YouTube. Not even gonna lie to you.
Yeah,
like for the music in the store. Yeah.
Yo, it doesn't have that many features, but it works good. So that's all that matters. All right, on to our second topic. According to a report from Reuters, Ford is planning to build a massive electric vehicle EV battery plant in the United States, Michigan, USA.
Yes, the plant is expected to cost around $3.5 billion and would be a joint venture with South Korea battery maker SK Innovation.
The new facility is expected to produce enough batteries to power 600,000 EVs annually by the end of the decade, with production starting in 2025.
Yo, that's crazy. The plant will reportedly be built on southeastern Michigan and will create around 5,000 jobs. Yo, that's perfect.
That's what's up. It's part of Ford's broader efforts to electrify this whole entire vehicle lineup, with plans to invest $22 billion in electric vehicle technology through 2025.
Ford has already announced plans to introduce several new electric models in the coming years, including the Mustang Mach-E, that F-150 Lightning pickup truck. Yo, I need that. And an electric version of the Transit van.
The company is also partnering with Rivian to develop a new electric vehicle platform.
Overall, the new battery plant represents a major investment in the future of electric vehicles and clean energy, and a significant step towards Ford's goal of becoming a leading producer of electronic vehicles. Yo, that's insane.
Tell me what you think, Dominic, as a non-electric car person.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm feeling the F-150, fam.
You feeling the Lightning?
Yes. Only because like I seen it like here and there type deal. Not like obviously like in person, but I'm pretty sure like I seen like fan made commercials or whatever, like renders here and there. And honestly, like the truck is fire. Like overall, I personally I want to get a pickup truck. Like a pickup truck. Fam, a pickup truck can bring you in so much money. Like for if any of our listeners,
yes, it'll pay for itself eventually.
Exactly. Like, look, check this out. If any of our listeners has a pickup truck, right, you can be making anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 a week. On the high end, that's $8,000 a month.
You can straight up go on OfferUp, Craigslist, buy and resell. And if you're moving, bro, I just moved. And
exactly.
If I had a pickup, that trip would have been different.
Everybody needs a tow, if you think about it. Everybody needs like a car moved. Everybody needs something moved, fam. And if you got a pickup truck, then boom, you have a moving business that you're making a car payment on for what? Instead of making that car payment. Though. What?
You can't lie though. Like if you're that one friend with a pickup, you're being called for every move.
Exactly,
like, yo.
Exactly.
Buddy with the truck, just
like yo, just come through real quick.
Bro. Yeah. Hey, but price wise, what's the big difference in price between the Cybertruck that's coming out and the Lightning?
Honestly, I heard
the Cybertruck got better pull than the Lightning.
I have no clue, to be honest. I know when I went on Ram, right, I had designed a pickup truck, right, and I had it like literally like specced out all the goodies, everything. And
double
it
turbo,
came out
twin turbo. What else? What else you put?
Yo, I went with the biggest engine, the most expensive trans. The best tow power, everything, and it was a dually. Like that's what I'm looking for. I want a dually, but what you mean?
What's a dually?
So pretty much,
and me because I'm not good with that.
So if you ever look at the back of a pickup truck, if it has a single wheel, that's not a dually. Right. If it has a double wheel, then that's a dually.
You're a whole 16-wheeler, like.
Damn. What I mean by double wheels, that has two tires on the back, like on the same wheels.
Right. You know what the purpose of that is?
I'm gonna assume that it's for like more like towing power, more hauling power. I'm gonna assume. I mean, from what I heard, dualies are like way better than regular Joe Schmo pickup trucks.
But maybe not on gas mileage.
Probably not on gas.
Or electricity range.
I know the one I was looking for. Yeah, it took diesel, and diesel's expensive, fam. Through the roof. So that's why I was like, yo, I'm feeling that pickup truck, the Lightning.
That Lightning, like, yeah, we're just plugging up at home.
What?
Yo.
But
anyways,
hopefully
lastly,
with the Lightning.
What about the Lightning?
But hopefully with the Lightning, like, it doesn't like die fast, you know. Like let's say you go do on a pull, and the next thing you know, boom, now I gotta go home and charge, because that's insane. Like with the Tesla trucks, I think it was only doing like I think it was saying like 150. I don't remember the exact amount, but when I seen it per charge, I was like, yo, that's mad low.
150 miles?
I don't remember the exact number.
Okay.
I don't remember the exact number. I just know when I seen it, I was like, yo, that's low.
All right, well, we'll keep you posted with all the latest Lightning updates and Tesla Cybertruck. Anyways, Lastly, for our third topic, Gadget reports of the unveiling of the production-ready Ram 1500 electric pickup. Did you know that, Dominic?
Yo, like that's insane.
Yeah.
All right.
They're pushing out electric cars like nothing, dude.
Exactly. The vehicle is based on the company's e-platform, which it plans to use for all of its future electric vehicles.
The Ram 1500 electric pickup truck has a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, making it one of the longest range electric vehicles on the market.
It is also capable of delivering up to 800 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds.
The truck features a dual motor setup that delivers full-time four-wheel drive and a maximum towing capacity of 10,000 pounds.
The Ram 1500 electric truck also comes with several advanced features such as augmented reality heads-up display, a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and an optional driver assistant package that includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning.
And Gadget notes that the Ram 1500 electric truck is set to go into production in 2024, and that Stellantis plans to operate in both the U.S. and Canada.
The company is also working on developing other electric vehicles, including a Jeep Grand Cherokee electric SUV and an all-electric Dodge muscle car. Yo, and it's a Hellcat that's electric, fam? What?
Fam, you seen those?
No, never.
Yeah, they're making them, and they got a fake engine noise and everything.
Yo,
sound like
insane.
Megatron.
Go.
Hey, but I got a quick little fact for you guys. Japan has the fastest internet speed of 319 terabits per second.
I'm moving to China or Japan.
That.
I'm moving out there. What? This internet speed is speedy enough to download approximately 80,000 movies per second. The engineers used fiber optic cables to make this world-breaking record possible.
Dang, can't even download one. Dominic, can you whip up the takeaways for our beautiful listeners?
Yo, before I get into that, AT&T got to step up their game with these fiber optics because they offer it and they're not even pushing P like this. That's insane.
Not at all. Bro, I live in a new neighborhood. They don't have fiber here. Like, they don't have no AT&T, no nothing. Like, it's supposedly modern. Like, I got cable. It's good download speeds, but upload speeds, yeah, I'm not looking that crisp. You just confirmed that. You just confirmed that.
All right, so for our first story, Comcast is ending free Peacock access for Xfinity subscribers. So will you be switching services?
For a second story, Ford reportedly plans to build a $3.5 billion EV battery factory in Michigan. Will you be getting an EV Mustang?
And for our third story, for our third story, Ram is coming out with a new Ram 1500 Rev. Is this a buy for you?
That is the end of another Flat Tech podcast.
We will be posted every Monday and Friday, so be sure to tune in.
Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms at Max and Biggs.
Y'all stay safe and take care.
Until next time.
Peace.